Guys, welcome back to my channel. Sahod or salary rebel tayo guys. Ito yung sahod natin. A payment is headed your way. Expect a payment September 21, 26. So 180.90 with minus taxes. Okay. Ito yung sa this is my September earnings. So ano ngayon, September 4 ngayon. So okay, so ito na yung September ko. So 1.61 lang, okay lang yan. Salamat pa rin tayo na hindi kayo nag-skip sa ads. Okay, we have 180.90. So pasalamat tayo sa ating mga subscriber at saka sa mga members. So ito na, salamat tayo. Mamaya konti ay yung mga itong mga followers. So okay, ito mamaya ay shout out natin yan. Ito yung members ko, shout out ko muna. Saka like thanks natin sila. Salamat tayo sa kanila. So ito yung mga members ko. So ito na yan. So ito tayo sa pinaka, this is the latest, this is the yung mga pinaka una old so we have Drawn from Life. Thank you very much from Germany, Drawn from Life. Yan, please visit Drawn from Life and support his channel. We also we have Pink 96 Lover from America. Yan si Ma'am Pink, shout out ma'am. We have Pilger Vlog, shout out. Ito yung mga member ko, shout out Ma'am Pilger. Sa Europe siya nakatira, ito sa Amerika. Ito si Ma'am Hanify is from I think Taiwan, no? Taiwan yata, no? Okay, Hanify yan, dalawa silang Pilipina, si Pilger Vlog at saka si Hanify, mga Pilipina. Ito yung mga foreigner, American, German. We have also Living After 50. Si ma'am, ito, yan, from America din siya. Yan, at saka si Relax with Mil, yan, from Australia. Ito yung new member ko, si Ma'am Melissa. So please visit Ma'am Melissa. Kulang siya, lacking watch hour yata. Please visit and support her channel, sorry. Okay, tapos si Ma'am Pink din, kulang din siya ng watch hour. Ito sila dito, monetize na to. So please don't forget to please no skipping ads for Miss Living After 50, Hanify, no to skip ads, and si Pilger, and saka si Drawn from Life. Yan. Saka we have also to thank si Ma'am Shen Piano Salon. Where are you? Tika. Nawala na. Nawala na si Ma'am Shen. So, we will find Ma'am Shen channel. Ito na. Ito, kapipili ko lang kanina. Kapipili pa ako pala. So, babalikan ko lang si Hanify. Yan. So, may bago palang video si Ma'am Shen. Panoorin nyo yung bagong video ni thank you also Ma'am Shen Piano Salon. Okay, adopted member. Yan. Ito may kuan din siya, may bago siyang video. Ito yan, memories. Okay, from Maroon 5, Venom 3, The Last Dance, OST original soundtrack. So ito, naka 136 na siya ng views per hours niya. Okay, thank you guys. Huwag niyo kalimutan si Ma'am Shen Piano Salon. Let's support Ma'am Shen. We have also adopted Habang na-adapted ko po din. Ito si Ma'am Honey Homes, Happy Homes. Yan, adapted din yan. Adapted member. Yan. Ito yung channel niya. Yung address. Yan. So, huwag niyong kalimutan. Meron siyang bagong video din. Yan. Adapted natin ito. Si Drone, si According to Jeff, Ma'am Fatima, yan. Okay. So, isa-sented. So, shout out muna tayo. Medyo madilim. Yan. Shout out tayo kay Saprono Onoban, Shen Piano Salon, Production with Mel, Pig 96 Lovers Fatima, Ma'am Fatima Shahida, yan. Si Pam Family, John from Life, yan. According to Jeff, Cathy and Netherland, Christy Nicola, Happy Homes and Honey Pie, Shadow, Ramsville CC. Okay. Si Bossing DGM, medyo madilim madilim ang paningin. Si Boss DGM, Buzzes Mongano Show, Car Heinz, Phil's Rock, Street Life, Boss Lando, si Valerie Adventure, please support Miss Valerie Adventure, lacking subscriber, and what's our ship hit, Milimiyuki, yan. Sahid, si Bella Pines, yan. Sajid, si Pin Dining, yan. Nature Serenity Cooking with Nasser, yan. Kayo na lang basa, ha. Si Puboy Palad, okay. Hanatubes Tactic, yan. Shout out to all members and family, YouTube family and friends. Yeah, shout out. Kami na. Appetizer items, OG, yan, si RV, si Pin and Danica. So, thank you guys. Don't skip ads palagi para magkapira tayo. Okay?